Welcome to our channel Bright Mass. Let us see the combined solid problems in mensuration. A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter is 14 cm and the height of the vessel is 13 cm. Find the capacity of the vessel. So given it's a hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. So this is the diagram for the given problem. Here this blue color is a hemisphere shape and this red color is the cylinder shape. So these two connected together, and here given the diameter is 14, and note that this diameter is common for both cylinder and hemisphere, and the total height of the vessel is 13 cm. So this total height is 13. Here since the diameter is 14, the radius is 7, and in this hemisphere we can observe that this is also radius. So this is also 7. Now this height of the cylinder is this full height of the vessel minus the height of the hemisphere, that is 13 minus 7. So this height of the cylinder, that is this red color height, is 6. We have to subtract 13 minus 7, and so we get 6. Now let us write the given information. First, hemisphere. Hemisphere diameter is 14 cm. So that implies radius equal to half of this, that is 7 cm. Next, let us write the informations about cylinder. For this cylinder, the radius is 7. So the radius is common for both cylinder and hemisphere. So here the radius is equal to 7 cm, and the height of the cylinder is 13 minus 7, that is equal to 6 cm. Now the question is, we have to find the capacity of the vessel. Here the capacity means volume. So we have to find the volume of this full vessel. And here we can observe that the capacity of this vessel is equal to volume of this hemisphere plus volume of this cylinder. So here the capacity means volume of this shape, that means the volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder. Now write the formula. The volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now take the common. Here we have pi r square common. So taking common outside, we get the remaining 2 by 3 r plus h. Now let us substitute the values. Pi value 22 by 7 into r square. R value is 7. So we write 7 into 7 into 2 by 3 r plus h. R value 7. So 2 into 7, 14 by 3 plus h value is 6. Now we can cancel 7. So remaining terms 22 into 7 into this bracket we have to add. So taking LCM, 3 into 6, 18 plus 14, that is 32 divided by 3. Here we cannot cancel 3, so just to multiply all the numbers and finally divide by 3. We get the final answer 1642.67 centimeter cube. And remember, volume is a cubic unit, so we have to write finally centimeter cube. Next problem. A toy is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere. The height of the toy is 25 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy if its common diameter is 12 centimeter. So this is the diagram for the given problem. This blue color is a cylinder and this red color is a hemisphere. So given it is a cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere, and given the height of the toy is 25 centimeter. So this full height is given 25 centimeter. The diameter is 12 centimeter. So this is the diameter. It is 12 centimeter. Therefore the radius is 6. And in this hemisphere, this is also radius. So that also 6. This cylinder height is total height minus hemisphere height. That means 25 minus 6. That is 19. Now we can write the given informations. First, hemisphere, the diameter is 12 centimeter. That means radius is 6 centimeter. Next, cylinder. Cylinder also same radius, because this hemisphere and cylinder both connected together. So this is the common radius. So the radius is 6 centimeter. The height of the cylinder, that is this blue color height, is equal to 25 minus 6. That is 19. Now we have to find the total surface area of the toy. So here we can observe that the total surface area, that is the TSA of the toy, is equal to CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder plus base area of cylinder. Here the question is TSA of the toy. So the toy is this full shape. For this the total surface is nothing but the CSA of hemisphere. So for this hemisphere we take only this red color line, that is the curved surface area of hemisphere, because we cannot take this circle. Actually we cannot see this circle because these two connected together. We can see only the bottom circle. So this circle cannot be seen. So we take only this outer part, that is CSA of hemisphere. And this blue color round, that is CSA of cylinder. And we can see the bottom circle. So that is base area of cylinder. Now we write the formulas. CSA of hemisphere formula is 2 pi r square plus CSA of cylinder formula 2 pi r h plus the base area is a circle. So the area of circle is pi r square. Now adding this 2 pi r square plus pi r square, we get 3 pi r square. So this is 2 pi r h plus adding these two terms 3 pi r square. Now we have pi r common. So taking common outside, this is pi r into 2h plus 3r. Now let us substitute the values. This is equal to pi value 22 by 7 into the radius is 6 into 2h, h value 19, 2 into 19 38 plus 3r, r value 6, so 3 into 6 18. This is equal to 22 by 7 into 6 into, adding this 38 plus 18 is 56. Now we can cancel 7 and 56 8 times. So now multiply these numbers. 22 into 6 into 8, we get the final answer 1056 centimeters square. And note that this is a surface area. So for area we have to write square units only. So final answer centimeter square. Thanks for watching.